Have you ever wondered if it is possible to reignite the spark with a woman who has slipped away? The pain of a breakup, especially when you know there is still a special bond, can be overwhelming. It is a common challenge, but if there is still a spark, it is possible to rekindle that old flame. By the end of this video, you will learn effective strategies to remind her of the amazing times you shared and make her want you back. Number 10. Give her space. Sometimes stepping back is the best way forward. If you are hoping to win your girl back, resist the urge to constantly pursue her. Instead, give her the space she needs. This doesn't mean you should completely stop talking to her, but constantly texting or asking to meet up might overwhelm her and push her away. Let her miss you a bit. When she realizes she hasn't heard from you in a while, she might start wondering what you are up to and even miss you. This curiosity can work in your favor. If she suggests meeting up, that's great, but keep it relaxed. Don't overwhelm her with your presence or affection. Remember, giving her space also shows your maturity, which can be very attractive. Number 9. Determine the problem. It is crucial to reflect on what led to the end of your relationship while you are in the phase of giving her space. This isn't just a waiting game. It is a time for introspection. Understand the reasons behind the breakup. Was it something straightforward, like not spending enough time together? Or was it more complex, involving multiple issues such as feeling underappreciated or too much partying on your part? It is important to pinpoint the exact issues that dimmed the spark in your relationship. If she was the one who called it quits, you might face a tougher challenge. Think deeply about her reasons for ending things. If the breakup was sudden, review old messages to identify what went wrong. On the other hand, if you were the one who ended the relationship, your challenge lies in convincing her that history won't repeat itself. You need to assure her that you are committed to not breaking her heart again. Number 8. Tackle the issues. Once you have identified the problems, it is time to develop a strategy to address them. If there are multiple issues, you will need to find several solutions or a comprehensive approach that tackles them all. For instance, if the relationship suffered because you were too caught up with friends, make a plan to prioritize her more. This could include setting up regular date nights and planning new activities to enjoy together. If poor communication was the issue, practice being more open and understanding in your daily interactions. If the issues are significant, like needing to overcome an addiction or undergoing a major personality change, then you should be prepared for a long-term commitment to resolve them. This might mean seeking professional help like therapy to guide you through the process. Number 7. Improve yourself. Now is the time to be the best version of yourself. Think about how you can make a positive impression the next time she sees you. Your appearance can be a significant factor in reigniting her interest. Being single gives you a lot of free time. Use it wisely. Hit the gym, read books, and focus on personal growth instead of dwelling on sadness. A physical transformation can be as simple as a new haircut or growing out some facial hair. These small changes can make a big difference, especially if you've had the same look for a long time. Pay attention to your grooming. Invest in good quality hair care products and body wash, and find a cologne that suits you. These details might seem minor, but they can significantly enhance your appeal. But it is not just about looks. Work on becoming a more interesting and positive person. Avoid heavy or stressful topics like work or finances. Instead, talk about uplifting and aspirational things. Show interest in her goals and dreams. Number 6. Meet new people. One key step in making her want you back is to start meeting new people. It might feel counterintuitive, especially right after a breakup, when all you want is the comfort of familiar faces. However, stepping out of your comfort zone and making new connections can be beneficial. Another aspect of this is to consider dating again. It might sound too soon and you might not feel ready, but seeing other people can give you a fresh perspective. It is not about forgetting your ex or replacing her, but about being open to new connections. You never know. You might find someone you really click with. Keeping this door open doesn't mean you are giving up on her. It means you are giving yourself a chance to explore and grow. Number 5. Keep your emotions in check. When dealing with a delicate situation like a breakup, make sure to control your emotions. Showing too much sadness, anger, or jealousy can add unnecessary strain to an already fragile relationship. Initially, your ex might feel sympathetic, but over time, these emotions can become overwhelming and annoying for her. Constantly texting or calling your ex is a big no-no. In fact, it is best to avoid contacting her too much. When she is annoyed, her tolerance for overly cute or clingy behavior drops significantly. Keeping a balanced and composed demeanor is key. Number 4, show her you are fine on your own. It is important that your ex sees that you are not falling apart without her. If she hears you are miserable and making a scene, it is likely to push her away. Instead, let her find out that you are doing well and enjoying life. This shows her you are a strong, independent person, and it might make her curious about why you are not more upset. Try to be in places where you both might run into each other, but be there with your friends. Let her see you having fun and laughing, but don't overdo it. If you bump into her at a social event, don't rush to talk to her. Let her know you are busy and having a good time even without her. This can also spark a bit of jealousy in a good way. If you are out there trying new things, having fun, and sharing these experiences on social media, she is likely to see it. This can make her wonder why you seem to be doing so well now that you are not together. Number 3, reach out when the time feels right. After some time has passed and you are back on her mind, start reconnecting with her slowly. If you see her around, have a short chat, or casually join her if you are in the same place. You can also text her about something you both like, maybe a TV show she enjoys. Keep things relaxed. Be friendly and kind, but let her guess if you are just interested in being friends. Don't overwhelm her with compliments right away. As you start talking more, gradually increase your efforts. Invite her for simple activities like grabbing a coffee or attending a talk. It is important not to rush into anything romantic. Just focus on spending time together in a low-pressure setting. Number 2, be a bit elusive. When things start looking up and it seems like you are getting closer to getting back together, don't rush to declare your feelings. Instead, keep her intrigued by showing that she still needs to put in some effort to win you back. As you spend more time together, don't always be readily available. Disappear for a few hours now and then, leaving her wondering about your whereabouts. This will keep her thinking about you more. If you have been on other dates, casually mention them. Don't go into details, but let her know enough to realize that she might actually lose you if she doesn't act. Number 1, make sure she wants you back. After you have caught her attention and even made her a bit jealous, it is important to figure out if she really wants you back before you open up about your feelings. You don't need to be absolutely certain, but the more confident you are about her wanting you back, the less risk there is of feeling embarrassed later. Paying attention to her body language. When you are talking, does she lean in, maintain eye contact, or look down shyly if she feels embarrassed? These are good signs that she wants you back. Notice if she seems jealous. If she asks about other women, you might be seeing or seeming upset if she sees you talking to other girls. This could be another clear sign of her wanting you back. Observe how she treats you. Is she giving you hugs, compliments, or suggesting activities that feel like dates? If she is treating you like a boyfriend again, it is a strong indication she might want to rekindle things. Conclusion: when you present yourself as a mature, caring, and appealing individual, you will surely trigger her to want you back. Be fully prepared before you meet her, and never rush into a conversation when you are not ready, as it could lead to saying things you might regret, or worse, coming off as desperate. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.